Hi, I'm knitwear designer Karina Spencer, and this is my Nova Cowl pattern. Nova uses mosaic colorwork to create chevron stripes that fade into a center band of stars. The cowl is finished on both the top and bottom with a ribbed casing and includes the option for a drawstring with attached tassels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the tassels and securely attach them to your cord. To get started, you'll need your cord, scissors, a tapestry needle, yarn for your tassels, and a sturdy card about 2 inches by 3 inches. A credit card works well. Start with the card tall side up and holding the tail in front, wrap the yarn around the card 25 or so times, or however many times it takes to get the fullness you want. Snip the yarn off at the bottom and then slide your scissors behind the yarn at the bottom of the card and cut the yarn free. Divide the yarn into 2 equal sections. Take one section of yarn and lay it over the cord. The cord should be in the very center of the yarn. Thread your tapestry needle with about 20 inches of yarn. Note that I'm using contrast yarn for this tutorial, but you will want to use yarn that is the same color as your tassel. Use the tapestry needle to guide the yarn through the end of the cord. Leave a tail at least half the length of the section of yarn. Bring the tapestry needle over the top of the section of yarn and guide the needle back through the cord 1 or 2 stitches above where you first went in. Pull the yarn tight, catching the section of yarn securely. Turn the cord to the other side and lay the second section of yarn on top of the first section. Bring the tapestry needle over the top of the second section of yarn and guide the needle back through the cord at the spot where you first went in. Pull the yarn tight, catching the second section of yarn securely. Remove the tapestry needle and tie the yarn from the needle into a square knot at the base of the cord. Snip the yarn tail to the length of the tassel. Use another length of yarn about 18 inches long and lay it on top of the tassel, leaving a tail the same length as the tassel. Bend the yarn, creating a loop, and hold the tassel sideways, securing the loop under your thumb. Wrap the yarn tightly around the tassel several times. Thread the end of the yarn through the tapestry needle and guide it through the front of the loop and down through the center of the tassel, pulling it snug. Find the tail and pull it snug too. Spend a little time evening out the tension of the yarn in your tassel and fluffing up the top. To trim the ends, you can use any piece of paper with a flat edge. Fold the paper around the tassel and slide it down until the edge of the paper lines up with the shortest strands of yarn. Snip the ends off and then open the paper back up. Turn the tassel 90 degrees and repeat to get the last little bits.